How do you deal with failure? Hey, this is Harry and welcome to this episode of The Harry Show. And today we're going to talk about something that we all deal with on an ongoing basis. And it is failure. Now, it's never easy to deal with failure, but there are specific practices that I've seen to work for me and for many of my students that have allowed us to deal with failure more effectively than most people that I see around us. So what is it that you need to do? The first thing is you've got to change your association to failure. Failure is not about you, it's about the process. Everybody who tries new things, everybody who tries to go to the next level, goes through failure. You know what research is suggesting? That successful people who have made an impact on the world, they did not fail any less than anybody else. In fact, they failed more because they tried more things. So if you're failing at something, that essentially means that you're trying new things, which in its very essence is the way to success. So success is the destination, but failure is the way to get there. So if you're failing, you are on the way to success. That is the first thing I'd invite you to consider and build into your mindset. The second is learning from failure. If you take failure as a learning lesson, then that transforms your perception towards it. That transforms your reaction to it. That transforms your association with it, right? So you want to take it as a learning lesson. And finally, number 3 is you got to pedal forward. And this is a lesson that I learned from my granddad. Now, my granddad would often use biking metaphors. And one day he quoted Einstein and he said, just like a bike needs to keep moving to stay in balance, you and I need to keep moving to stay in balance. We need to keep pedaling to keep our balance. So when you fail, you got to understand it's a part of the process. You got to learn from it, but you also got to take the next step. You also got to take the next step towards your goal, because if you stop pedaling, so to speak, you're going to lose your balance. You're going to fall down, and you have to get back up, get back on the bike and start pedaling forward, because when it starts to feel like you've put in everything you got, you've tried everything you could, and things are still not moving forward, there's nothing else left in the world to try, there is no energy left in you to move forward, that means that you're almost halfway there. When there is nothing left in you, that is when you're halfway there. So think about it. Take failure as a part of your path to success. Learn from it and be ready for it. Expect it. Expect failure. Expecting success is good, but expecting failure keeps you going because it is something you're going to run into anyways. This is Harry signing off. I'll see you in the next video. What did you learn from this video? Comment below and let me know. I read every single comment on my videos. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We already have a lot of videos on our channel. Check the playlist on marketing, sales, communication, leadership, influence, persuasion, all of these skills that'll help you transform the game and raise your career to the next level.